Here at SwissWatchExpo, we try to give you all the information about how to use your watch effectively. One of the common questions that we have is, how do I operate my bracelet? Well, with the diving watches, they all have different kinds of bracelets. And much like the Rolex, the Glidelock clasp, this one also has a push button clasp. And actually it mimics more of the Breitling style clasp, where it has the push button here in the center. Now it's a little bit hard to display in the camera because of the way that the camera has to see into it. But right here it says push. And when you push down, you can slide that clasp out. And what you'll notice is that inside, there are, you may be able to see that, there are little notches, and that helps you adjust the clasp to fit your wrist. Now, whenever you take out links, normally these links will help you adjust the bracelet down to size, but then when you want to go and adjust this in the summertime or in the wintertime, when you want it tighter or more loose, then you adjust it here. Now, one of the other things that you should keep in mind, this is a diver's clasp, so it does extend out as well, and so the clasp pops out like that as a diver's extension in addition to, so you get that maximum length out of that bracelet. And when you do that on the max length on a Omega, this is over 9 inches in length. It's probably more like 9.5 after it's all said and done, so that you can put this over your wetsuit. Now, just real quickly, when you look at this watch, it is a chronograph. It does have the helium escape valve at the top. You want to make sure that you keep that closed at all times. These do have the chronograph pushers, the start, stop, reset function. Unscrew the crown towards you, so this way, back, in order to set the watch or wind it. It's in the winding position. When you unscrew it and it pops out, you'll actually feel it and hear it. Then, in order to set the time, pull the pull the crown all the way out, and you can set the time as you need. And then I always, in order to set the date, push the crown back in, and then that way I can feel that first click, and I can start moving the hands backwards and forwards to change the date as necessary. It will not hurt the watch to move it backwards if you happen to need to go to like the 10th, for example. This is how you set the watch, and how do you wind the watch as a brief overview, but the most important thing is how to operate this clasp. Now, if you want to go back and you want to close that clasp, simply just fold it down and in. Make sure there's a little portion here you tuck in, and then just simply snap it back in place. And if you want to move it down, push the button and move it back in, or adjust it to wherever you might need to feel comfortable. And that's how you adjust the Omega. Now, this is a 215.30.46.51.03.001. Huge number set for Omega, but this is the only watch that has this combination and style on it.